You know what guys, I have made a lot of mistakes in marketing and sales, जिसकी वजह से मैंने बहुत सारी लीड लूज किया, जिसकी वजह से मैंने बहुत सारी सेल्स लूज की, जिसकी वजह से ओवरऑल मैंने बहुत सारा पैसा लूज किया. And I'm watching this right now that there are so many people right now in the market जो कि ये सेम मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं एंड वो जान नहीं पा रहे कि ये मिस्टेक उनके लिए कितने खतरनाक साबित हो सकती है. And because of these mistakes, I literally lost multiple 7-figure in terms of revenue. And I don't want कि वो मिस्टेक बेसिकली आप लोग आज करो. So आज हम बात करने वाले हैं the mistakes you need to avoid in marketing and sales. So you know what guys, I have a 4-year of marketing and sales experience, and guys, I have helped hundreds of people to generate 6-figure, 7-figure, and 8-figure for themselves in their journey with the help of our training, guidance, mentorship, and community. And guys, we have a lot of success stories like Raj Shekhar did 2,000 rupees in just one go, 3 lakh rupees in just 1 month, and basically 10 days के अंदर में भी 10 lakh rupees in just 1 month. And we have right now one of our mentee, उन्होंने 80,000 rupees का client से completely. So like this guys, we have a lot of people right now, those who are generating excellent amount of result for themselves. So guys, my promise for today is कि I will show you 5 mistakes which people make in marketing and sales, जिसकी वजह से they lose a lot of money in their business, and I don't want कि वो mistake proper आप लोग करो अपनी journey के अंदर में. So guys, we have right now mistake number 1. Don't understand the difference between marketing and sales. I mean, I have seen a lot of people, I met a lot of people, I have talked to a lot of people, and when I ask them कि what is the difference between marketing and sales, and they are like कि completely zone out, and they don't even understand that कि marketing मतलब कि marketing हम product कर रहे हैं, product के बारे में sales मतलब कि हम product को basically बेच रहे हैं, but they do not have an accurate and exact answer कि what is the actual difference between marketing and sales. Simple. And वहीं पे जब वो basic right now हमारा completely खराब रखा है, then how can I expect them to not to make a lot of different mistakes? And this is the mistake number 1. I want you to stop this video right now and आप खुद से पूछो what is the difference between basically marketing and sales. So guys, first of all, let's understand what is marketing and sales. So guys, the purpose of marketing is to create awareness about the product, service, and bring people into your funnel. And the purpose of sales is to bring out people from the funnel and you have to close them. अगर guys मैं simple example लूँ, this is right now you can say it's a funnel. Okay, it is completely a sales process. This is we can say marketing, and this is basically we can say sales. So with the help of marketing, we are generating awareness in the market. People will get to know about us, and basically हम generate करेंगे leads, and basically वो हम properly कराएंगे हमारे funnel के अंदर में. Sales वो activity है जिसके through हम leads को निकालेंगे completely from sales process, and we have to completely close them proper from our side. So marketing is an activity through which we generate awareness, we build trust, we build credibility, and we generate leads for our business. Sales is an activity through which basically we generate money. That's it. Simple. That's the basically basic difference right now. And guys, let's try to understand the more difference between marketing and sales. So the ultimate goal of marketing is a proper lead generation. Yes, you heard it right. अगर मैं marketing कर रहा हूँ, my ultimate goal is that कि I need to have leads, and the ultimate goal of sales is a proper revenue generation. So you need to have clarity. Marketing का simple मतलब यहाँ पर ही that कि I have to get leads every single day. Sales का simple मतलब हमारे यहाँ पर ही that कि मैं वो activity कर रहा हूँ proper जिसके through basically मेरे पास में leads आएंगी. And ये दो activity marketing and sales consistently होने चाहिए proper और daily होने चाहिए simple. This is our difference number 1. And here we have right now our mistake number 2. So guys, marketing creates credibility for you, your product, your services, your company, your brand authority. Sales provide clarity to your prospect that why they should buy the product from you. So when we are doing marketing, उसके through market में credibility और trust build हो रहा है regarding me, regarding my product and regarding my business. Sales के through properly our sales person और me हम provide कर रहे हैं clarity to our prospect and why they should buy the same product completely from us. And here we have right now our point number 3, which is as key marketing feed sales, which means marketing happen before sales. And number 3 is key sales feed operation. So as हम बोलते हैं ना sales and marketing नहीं होता, marketing and sales होता है. Marketing comes first, sales comes second. Marketing is your 80% and sales is your 20%. And basically marketing एक सही तरीके से हो रही है, बहुत ही आपके लिए easy होगा properly to convert those leads into sales. So marketing feed करता है sales को, because अगर आप सिर्फ sales कर रहे हो and you are not doing marketing, you won't be having leads, right? So marketing is something which you have to do daily and consistently, and that's why marketing feeds sales, which means marketing happen before sales. And guys, यहाँ पे हमारा sales डिपार्टमेंट है sales feed operation. So operation basically आपके business का ऊपर डिपार्टमेंट है. Simple. तो sales के through we will be having money, and then we will be able to do all the kind of like different expenses like paying salary to team, managing backend department, okay, managing operation completely. Simple. So sales feed proper our operation. And guys, we have right now marketing है तो sales है. If no marketing, then no sales. If your marketing is not consistent, then it means no sales, and if there is no sales, it means there is no operation. It means if there is no operation, there is no business. I hope right now guys you got the clarity that what is the difference between marketing and sales. And this is our mistake number 1, that people don't understand the difference between marketing and sales. And here we have right now guys our mistake number 2, which is key not doing marketing and sales activity consistently. It's like यार आज 4 दिन मैंने sales activity कर लिया, आप छोड़ देते हैं completely. It's like कि मैंने 3 दिन ad run कर लिया, अब रहने देते हैं. इट्स लाइक कि मतलब 2 दिन कंटेंट डाल दिया प्रॉपर्ली, अब रहने देते हैं। आई मीन मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स एक्टिविटी वो कंसिस्टेंटली आपके बिजनेस में होनी चाहिए। ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। इट शुड हैपन कंसिस्टेंटली कंप्लीट इन योर बिजनेस। एंड व्हाट पीपल डू, दे डू मार्केटिंग 10 days from 30 days and they do basically sales activity 15 days from those 30 days. I mean कि छुट्टी क्या चल रही है भाई, आपका संडे हो, मंडे हो, ट्यूसडे हो, मार्केटिंग सेल्स एक्टिविटी ये डेली बेसिस पे कंप्लीट हमारी होनी चाहिए। इट शुड हैपन कंसिस्टेंटली। और ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि 3 दिन मार्केटिंग करी, 3 दिन एड रन किया, उसके बाद छोड़ दिया, उसके बाद बेसिकली उन लोगों को हम क्लोज करने में लगे पड़े सिंपल। एंड हमारे पास बेसिकली 1000 लीड्स आ चुकी है एंड नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू जस्ट ओनली क्लोज दोस 1000 पीपल एंड प्रॉपर्ली फिर मार्केटिंग हमारी हो ही नहीं रही है। मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स ये कंसिस्टेंटली साथ में प्रॉपर हमारे होने चाहिए एंड पीपल डोंट डू दिस। दिस इज द mistake number 2. And here we have guys right now our mistake number 3, not doing marketing and sales activity daily. Guys, हमारा लास्ट वाला क्या था? Not doing it consistently. And where we have right now mistake number 3, not doing it daily. So first of all, you have to do the marketing and sales activity daily and साथ में consistently. आप उस activity को daily कर रहे हो, so आपके दिन के 3 घंटे जाने चाहिए मार्केटिंग में, आपके दिन के 3 घंटे जाने चाहिए सेल्स एक्टिविटी के अंदर में। ये नॉन नेगोशिएबल है। दैट मार्केटिंग प्रॉपर क्या है? वो एक्टिविटी जिसके थ्रू प्रॉपर्ली मेरे पास लीड्स आ पाए। सेल्स क्या है? वो एक्टिविटी जिसके थ्रू प्रॉपर्ली मैं उन लीड्स को कन्वर्ट करूं इनटू सेल्स एंड सो दैट बेसिकली आवर कंपनी एंड बेसिकली वी कैन मेक मनी। सो मार्केटिंग लाइक यू आर डूइंग रीच आउट, you are sending cold emails, you are running ads, you are shooting content, basically you are posting content, simple. It's called marketing. And sales means कि you are doing follow up, you are doing one-to-one sales, you are doing multi-one sales, or you are nurturing people, or you are sending your presentation. That's it, simple. तो बस कहने का मतलब हमारे यहाँ पर ये दैट कि marketing and sales activity should happen consistently and should happen on a daily basis. At least 3 hours marketing daily, at least 3 hours sales daily. ये mistake मैंने किया है. I am seeing right now a lot of people are making the same mistake. Please don't do it. And here we have right now our guys mistake number 4, which is key underestimate the competitors and not doing the competitor analysis. I mean guys, this is the biggest mistake people do. I mean, why do you want to reinvent the wheel? कहने का मतलब यहाँ पर ये कि बहुत ही प्यारा क्यूट है बिजनेस वर्ल्ड के अंदर में, do not try to reinvent the wheel. मतलब कि उस पहिए को दोबारा मत बनाओ। मार्केट में प्रॉपर जो बेसिकली काम कर रहा है उसको प्रॉपर आप लो, उसको सही से प्रॉपर इंप्लीमेंट करो, ओके? एंड rather than कि प्रॉपर आप हर बार फिगर आउट करो अपने साइड से, एक्सपेरिमेंट करो, you need to understand that कि what is working right now in the market for the people and how can we model it, okay? Simple guys, screen like an artist. So mistake right now हमारी यहाँ पर ये होती है that कि people don't track the competitors, people don't do the competitor analysis. So guys, what you need to do is कि you need to get a proper competitor tracking sheet and you need to track the marketing, how they're selling, what they're selling, what is their ad budget, what is their hook, how much actually they are spending right now, how many ads are they running, वो किन किन platforms actually ad run कर रहे हैं, are they doing organically or are they doing basically only paid ads? You need to track the marketing and then you will be able to make a right decision. What if उन लोगों ने 100 टाइप के ad रन कर रखे हैं और उनके लिए 3 टाइप के ad प्रॉपर काम कर रहे हैं? Then why do you want to create 100 type of ad? Then you will be able to figure out that कि ये 3 टाइप के ad काम करने वाले हैं। Best यहाँ पर इधर competitors ने already बहुत सारी activities, बहुत सारे experiments कर रखे हैं। So why not to steal like an artist? But people don't do this. And guys, analyze their sales process, their ticket size, lead magnet, and everything. Everything basically guys, you have to track from your side. You have to create a proper Google sheet, write their name, email ID, social media handles, their strategy, products, everything. और सारे segment proper जो कि आपको लगता है कि basically important है for the tracking. This is the mistake number 4 which people do. I want to ask you right now, are you making the same mistake completely or not? Here we have right now guys our mistake number 5, which is not tracking the metrics of leads and not tracking the metrics of sales. I mean, अगर आप चीजों को track नहीं कर रहे हो, you won't be able to make a right decision in your business. And अगर आप decision ले रहे हो without even tracking the metrics, let me tell you this right now, you are not making a right decision. You need to track all the metrics basically in the marketing sales. चाहे marketing में track कितना traffic completely proper आ रहा है, landing page proper views कितना आ रहा है, CPL proper क्या जा रहा है basically, क्या जा रहा है, everything you have to track from your side. In sales में conversion basically lead to first product लोग कितने buy कर रहे हैं, अगर basically हमारे पास leads आ रही है तो lead से first product buy करने में हमारा कितना % complete proper ratio जा रहा है, and basically product से second product में basically हमारा कितना % converting proper ratio जा रहा है, and कितने time proper basically हमारे लोग first product से completely second product को buy कर रहे हैं, and most important guys की what's the ROI in the first week and the first month. कहने का मतलब यहाँ पर ये कि अगर मैं 1 लाख रुपए लगा रहा हूँ हमारे फर्स्ट वीक में एड में, उस बेसिकली 1 लाख में से मेरे पास एक ही वीक में कितना ROS आया, रिटर्न ऑन एड स्पेंड, एंड बेसिकली सेम चीज कंप्लीटली हमारे 1 मंथ में प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ और कितने टाइम में बेसिकली मैं प्रॉफिटेबल हो रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम एबल टू मेक 2x 3x ऑफ माय एड बजट. सिंपल. यू नीड टू ट्रैक दिस मैट्रिक्स एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू टेक अ राइट डिसीजन दैट कि क्या मुझे अगले मंथ में एड्स चलाने कंप्लीटली या फिर नहीं चलाना है. दिस इज द मिस्टेक नंबर 5 व्हिच पीपल डू every single day in their marketing sales. So guys, let me know in the comment box that ki, what mistake are you doing right now? Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to let me know in the comment box that ki abhi right now proper आप कौन सी mistake कर रहे हो. So guys, here is my ask right now. अगर आपको ये वीडियो प्रॉपर अच्छी लगी, then I just want कि आप इस वीडियो को प्रॉपर एक WhatsApp ग्रुप में बस से करो. That's it. Take a screenshot and just upload on Instagram and do tag me right now so that कि I will understand कि हाँ आपने प्रॉपर्ली ये वीडियो देख लिया है. अगर आप मुझे हेट नहीं करते, let's share this video with more people. So guys, check gift in the comment box. We are conducting a workshop completely and we will be teaching you about marketing sales completely in more in depth and how will you be able to generate more leads and how will you be able to generate more sales in your business. So link is in description and also in comment box. Go ahead, be the part of our workshop and I will see you next time. Have a great day everybody. Take care. Cheers and bye bye.